Okay. Let's start solving it. Now here clearly they have mentioned with the notation and all, right? First we have to prepare the table. Table should contain x values, y values, and then y dash values. Okay. X values are x naught is 0, x1 is zero point 0.1, x2 is zero point 0.2, x3 is zero point 0.3. So what should be x4? X4 is zero point 0.4. Corresponding values of y naught is 1, y1 is 0.9008, y2 is 0.8066, y3 is 0.722. Now we have to calculate what is y4 only. Correct? They have asked to find, okay, y when x is 0.4. Yes. How y dash is defined? Now here you can see in this question, you have all the values, okay, all the variables on one side. So it has to be simplified. I want y dash value. So these two terms should be transferred. So both are positive, both will become negative. So I'll just write like this, minus y plus x into y square. Am I right with the expression? Clear? Y dash will be minus y minus xy square. Both are negative. I am taking minus common so that it is minus of y plus xy square. Now, okay, let us start calculating. We have to find these values. So here this is y naught dash. How y naught dash is defined? Minus of y naught plus x naught into y naught square. Okay. Yes, substitute. So this is going to be minus 1 plus. So 0 into anything will be 0. So the value is nothing but minus 1. So even sometimes we'll get the values as negative values. Some values are 0 also. Negative, positive, any value. Do the calculation correct. Next is y1 dash is defined as minus y1 plus x1 into y1 square. Minus y1 is, yeah, do all the, you know how to substitute because space is less, so I'm not writing, that's all. 0.9008 plus zero point 0.1 into 0.9008 the whole square. Even no, in the exam you can write the value correctly, but this is for your understanding. I'm writing okay with this. Tell me y1 dash. 98119. Okay. Similarly, y2 dash, it is minus of y2 plus x2 into y2 square. Again, use the value of x2 as 0.2, y2 as 0.8066 and tell me what you will get. Okay, good. Next, y3 dash defined as minus y3 plus x3 into y3 square. Point 8. No, the digit 83. Okay. Yes, y4 dash, we cannot calculate now because we don't know what is y4. Okay, after the formation of the table, next part is we have to apply the predictor formula. Correct? We are doing it by, so by Adams-Bashforth predictor corrector method. Okay, predictor formula is Hmm. Y4 to the power P. How it is defined? Y3 plus H by 24 into bracket. Formula. 55 Y3 dash minus 59 Y2 dash plus 37 Y1 dash. Okay. Minus 9 Y0 dash. Yeah. Same predictor formula, write it. Now substitute. What is Y3? Y3 is minus 0.8783. H is nothing but again the difference, which is 0.1. 55 into Y3 dash. Sorry, I think I did a mistake. Will you tell me what is the mistake? In substitution, it is not Y3 dash, this is Y3. Okay. Yeah, remember, in bracket only we have dash. This as well as Milnes. Okay. This is 0, 0.722. Okay. 55 into minus 0.87, 8783 minus 59 into 0.9367. Sorry, this is minus. Minus, don't forget. Next is plus 37 into minus 0.9819 minus 9 into y1 y naught dash. Y naught dash is minus 1. Yes. Answer. 637 after 7 1 1 1. Okay. 6371. This is predicted. Before applying corrector formula, we have to calculate what is y4 dash. Y4 dash is defined as minus y4 predicted value plus x4 then y4 predicted value the whole square. Yes, minus 0.6371 plus x4 is nothing but zero point 0.4 then y4 dash. Okay, sorry, y4 predicted value 0.6371 the whole square minus 0.7994. See one more thing. Here you can see this these values are negative and they are decreasing. So like on symmetry, this symmetry, no, you can tell that this value what we have got is correct. If this is correct, no, that implication is that predicted value is correct. Okay, this is just for your verification. Next, let us apply the corrector formula. Corrector formula is y3 plus h by 24 into bracket. What we have? Any doubt? 9 y4 dash plus 19 y3 dash minus 5 y2 dash plus y1 dash. Yeah, y3 is 0.722 plus 0.1 divided by 24. 9 into y4 dash is 0.7994. 19 into y3 dash is, sorry, this is negative, minus 0.8783 minus 5 y2 dash. Y2 dash is minus 0.9367 plus y1 dash. Y1 dash is minus 0.9819. Hopefully you can see all the values. Hmm? 6379. Yes. The difference is very less, but what is being told in the question? They have told in the question like apply corrector formula twice. So we don't have a choice. We have to apply because 1 mark will be allotted for that step. Okay. Now to calculate the apply corrector formula once again, we want a value y4 dash. Let us calculate it. Okay. So now y4 dash is defined as minus y4. What is the change? Instead of using predicted value, we have to use the corrected value. Okay. Plus x4, y4 to the power bracket c, corrected value, the whole square equal to. So, minus 0.6379 plus zero point 0.4, 0.6379, the whole square. Answer is minus. Again, the value will be nearer to this as these two are nearer. 0.800. 8006. So now again apply corrector formula. Therefore, by 4 to the power bracket c will be, now what you use, okay, if the values are there in the calculator, go to that repeat, that replay button, no? You can go to that left arrow mark, you can just take all the values same, only this value, correct, this value changes, 9 into. So instead of 7994, you use it as minus 0.8006. Correct? Only this is changing. And tell me the value. It will be again nearer to this. 0.63. Most probably 7 also may be same. The fourth digit may change. Round it off and tell me the answer. Be a little bit faster so that I can cover up one more problem. 637 or 63. Seven, eight, be sure about it because difference should be reduced. All are getting 7, 8, 6, 3, 7, 8. Or by your calculation, if you are getting 7, 7, you can do write it. Shall I write 7, 8? Okay. This is by, again by corrector formula. Now write the final conclusion. What is this representing? Y when x is x4 and x4 is 0.4. So therefore y of 0.4 is 0.6378. If you have got little difference in the answer, you can write that. No problem. Hmm? Shall I go to the next problem? 7, 8. Okay. Shall I take one more? Okay, no option for me. I'll take one more. I'll take it. Okay. Yes. Write this. given dy by dx plus y by x equal to 1 by x square. I repeat, dy by dx plus y by x equal to 1 by x square, and the data. So they have given the values of x with a difference as 0.1, and y value also they have given. Shall I dictate? Are you writing the question? Okay. Write the values of x as 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Corresponding y values are 1, 0.996, 0.986, 0.972. Compute y of 1.4, correct to 3 decimal places by ABPC method. Okay, now we can prepare the table, no problem with that. If you want, even you can simplify this and write it. Okay, now